Once you get these off, these just twist. You get these little 8mm. They're only on there by like a 1/4 inch. This will pop up, and I vacuum this out as good as it's gonna get, I guess. Oh shit. Well, make sure you relieve the pressure. So after you make a mess, gotta just try to pull this guy out. Yes.
What do we do with the stuff in the keyboard?
Put it back in the box. Talk to mom about it, maybe.
What?
Talk to mom about it.
No?
And this thing is in there tight. Okay. These two clips right here push together, and push it down if you can. Okay, it's not helpful. We're gonna use a little pick. Ohms.
What are those for?
I'm connecting it in 2 and 5. It's 8 ohms. Okay. So if you can see the connector like that, you put it in connector 2 and pin 2 and pin 5. And if it's empty, you're going to be at 80 ohms. If it's full, you're going to be at 3 ohms. Right now it's on empty, and we're at 81 ohms. 81.8 ohms. Once you hold that, push the back there, and then just record what I'm doing, baby. Okay. Look at that. Can you see that in the picture? .81 ohms. So here, Lincoln, let's get this one. Okay, what do we got here? We have low ohms.
Mm-hmm.
No, thank you. Ooh. It's bouncing all over the place. I'm holding it at the top. It's locked up. It's empty. It's showing 67. It's not in the 80s. All right. I believe this one is the culprit. That right there tells me we got a bad sending unit. All right, connections on the new sending unit. We have 83 ohms, empty. Full. How responsive that is. Empty, 83. Full, 4.7. I'm all right with that. And it's not bouncing around. Very confident. Looks like we just need to get that clip off. Be careful. Make sure you put it on the right. That's gonna be a tight squeeze, I think. You see how far that one is out. It's got that little thing, sensor up there. This guy will need this clip on the top. Oh, come on. Okay. That guy in there. Get this guy plugged in. Telling you, it was hell getting this guy off too. make sure those clips clip. Like pull them out to make sure that they've clipped that guy. You definitely don't want to do this again. Okay. Is there something blocking us? Oh. Just put that. Okay. The float is in. Am I on top of something? Okay. Okay. Oh. Woo. Don't want to lose that. Okay. Ooh. Let's see what we got. Just spit it out. About a half a tank. Man, I didn't get a picture of it before, but it was at 3/4 of a tank. So, all right. So right now we're just going to button it all up. My mistake. My mistake. Don't do that. He's not even out here, is he? Oh, he's riding his bike.
Around the park?
I don't know where he is, homegirl. Go the other way, baby. Yep. Come on. the heck? Oh gosh. Phillips. Órale, Felipe. Dámelo mano, por favor, Felipe. ¿Qué pasó, mi amigo? Okay. Okay. Yep. Strip that one, why not? What the hell is your problem? Stripper. Okay. All right. This is the main. These never work out right. Oh my gosh. This is real talk. What's up? Apparently I got the longest ones in the world here to twist these guys. Okay, that is the other one over there. So if this is doing the right ohms, then that one is probably the one at fault.